Hello everybody! Monsters and Tales tell about stories all across Antarctica and Oceanian mythology. Here we go. Number 16. Ningen. The Ningen is a sea monster supposedly inhabiting the subantarctic oceans. The legend surrounding the Ningen began in 2007 on a forum post on the Japanese online forum website 2channel, which claims that the members of a whale research ship witnessed the sea monster as it surfaced near the ship off the Antarctic coast. Originally thinking it was a submarine, the crew went to take a closer look, but the submarine vanished into the waves. Number 15. Watu'hal'io. Watu'hal'io is an evil spirit in Polynesian mythology. Number 14. Kanaloa. Kanaloa is the Hawaiian god of the ocean, associated with the long-distance voyaging and healing. Compared to Kini, Lono, and Ku, not much information is known. Hawaiian traditions describe Kanaloa as a companion of Kani, describing them as complementary powers. 13. Manumanu volukano. Manumanu volukano is a cannibalistic volcanic monster in Fijian mythology. Number 12. Adaro. The Adaro is the term for two distinct classes of beings found in the mythology of Mekura Island in the Solomon Islands. The first class is that of ghosts, which may enter an animal, tree, or stone, or remain in the village where they have lived with the proper entreaties. These ghosts can be commanded to kill or maim living people at a distance. The other class is of elemental spirit who play a part in many creation stories around the island. Number 11. Makutugi. The Makutugi is an evil shark-like deity in Tongan mythology. Number 10. Taniwha. In Maori mythology, Taniwha are large supernatural beings that live in deep pools and rivers, dark caves, or in the sea, especially in places with dangerous currents or defective breakers. They may be considered highly respected keitaki of people in places, or in some traditions as dangerous predatory beings, which, for example, would kidnap women to have a waves. Number 9. Wheke-a-Muturangi. In Maori mythology, Wheke-a-Muturangi is a monstrous octopus destroyed in Waikanui Bay, Tory Channel, or at Pattaya by Kupi the Navigator. Number 8. Tekūmunagi'i. The Tekūmunagi'i is a crab-to-clam hybrid monster in French Polynesian folklore. Number 7. Rokutubōi-mīto. The Rokutubōi-mīto is a demonic, giant crab-like monster in Fijian mythology. Number 6. Gata Sami. The Gata Sami is a gigantic eel-like sea monster in Samoan mythology. 15. The Muldjewangk. The Muldjewangk is a water creature in Ngarrindjeri mythology that inhabited the Murray River, particularly Lake Alexandrina. It was used as a deterrent for Aboriginal children who wished to play near the riverside after dark. Sometimes they are portrayed as evil merfolk and other times as a gargantuan monster, and counts an inconsistent as to whether there are many of the creatures or a single the Muldjewangk. 4. The Hawkesbury River Monster. There have been reports as far back as the ancient art of the Daharank tribal Aborigines of NSW of a mysterious water monster. Legend calls him Marula. The Hawkesbury River has produced reports of large reptilian or eel-like animals since at least as far back as 1924. There have also been sightings of this creature in the last decade. Sightings of the creatures have been reported from Wisdom's Ferry at the western end of the river, eastward to the Broken Bay, Brisbane waters expanse at the river's mouth. Number 3. Yara-ma-yha-who. The Yara-ma-yha-who is a mythical vampiric monster found in southeastern Australian Aboriginal mythology. The legend is recounted by David Onapun. According to legend, the monster resembles like a little red frog-like man with a very big head, a large mouth with no teeth, and suckers on the ends of its hands and feet. Number 2. Yowie. The Yowie is one of the several names for an Australian folklore entity that is reputed to live in the outback. The creature has its roots in Aboriginal oral history in parts of Queensland. They are known as Quintin or as a type of Quinkin and a Jumbangon in parts of New South Wales. They are called Ningen, Jurawia, Mingwain, Potinin, Dolaga, Golga, and Folago. Other names include Yowie, Noku, Yowie, Pagalungu, Jembra, and Tijanigata. Yowie-type creatures are common in Aboriginal Australian legends, particularly in the eastern Australian states. Number 1. The Bunyip. The Bunyip is a mythical creature from the Aboriginal mythology in southeastern Australia. It is said to live in swamps, billabongs, creeks, riverbeds, and waterholes. The word Bunyip translates to devil or evil spirit from the Wemba language. Thank you for watching this video.